Hello everyone, welcome to the show. Today we're looking at the latest official projections for 2026 tax refunds. New data from the White House, Congress, and major financial analysis shows that Americans could receive some of the largest refunds in US history. We'll break down what's driving this and how it connects to Trump's tax agenda. Let's get started. According to updated reports from the White House, 2026 refunds are currently projected to be the largest ever recorded. Filers could receive an average extra bump of around $1,000 when they file their 2025 taxes early next year. Congressional estimates show $191 billion in new tax relief, including $91 billion directly in refunds and another $30 billion in increased take-home pay due to lower withholding. These projections line up with analysis from outside economists, including Oxford Economics and JP Morgan, who describe a significant refund surge based on the newest tax law changes. A major reason for these larger refunds is the way the new tax law was implemented. The working families tax cuts are retroactive to 2025, but the IRS did not update withholding tables in time. Because of that, many workers had more taxes withheld from every paycheck than the new law actually requires. When people file in early 2026, that over withholding is returned as a larger refund. Analysis estimate this effect alone could create a $50 billion boost in refunds nationwide. This is one of the clearest explanations for why average households may see significantly more money coming back next year. The projected refund increases are closely connected to the tax direction supported by Trump and congressional Republicans. Key provisions include continuing the lower 2017 tax rates, increasing the standard deduction, including an additional $1,500 for many families, making tips over time and Social Security benefits tax-free, raising the child tax credit to $2,200 with future inflation adjustments, expanding HSA and 529 savings accounts, and protecting more income from being taxed at higher brackets. These changes reduce what many workers owe over the year, which naturally leads to higher refunds at tax time. There are some risks to keep in mind. A government watchdog has reported that the IRS workforce has dropped by about 26%, which could make the 2026 filing season more difficult. There may be delays in processing returns, especially for people whose filings trigger identity checks or error reviews. However, these issues affect the timing of refunds, not the refunds amount themselves. The underlying refund increases remain projected by both government and independent analysis. The main takeaway is simple. If the current law continues as written, many Americans will see larger refunds next year, and the average increase could be close to $1,000 per household. This comes from a combination of lower tax rates, expanded credits, and over withholding returning to taxpayers during filing. For working families, especially those with children, this could make a meaningful difference in early 2026. We'll continue tracking official IRS updates as the filing season approaches. For now, the data all points in the same direction. 2026 may deliver the most generous tax refunds Americans has ever received, largely driven by the tax changes supported by President Trump. Please make sure to hit that like button and subscribe button along with the notification bell so you don't miss a video that I upload. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.